Good day, campers. Today's project is we're going to replace the lifting mechanism in our Maxxair Maxxfan RV ventilation fan. This is the replacement part. I did order it from Amazon, and I will link to it in the description. So the first thing we're going to do is, if you have the covers, you need to remove the cover. Now that we have the cover off, the next thing we need to do is remove the actual vent lid itself. The arms have little plastic bushings that go inside a slot. So to remove those, you just flex the arm a little bit and pull them out. Takes a little bit to get them both. And then you can just fold the lid over backwards and retrieve your bushings. Next step is to remove these two screws. With the screws removed, this piece just lifts up, the arm unplugs, mine is broken into several pieces, and it's just a matter of reinstalling. The new part. There's a pawl fitting in the bottom, so you have to line those teeth up. And reinstall the two screws. And we'll reinstall the arms, reinstall our cover, and the job is done. So that's all there is to this. I see now what's wrong with mine. So as always, thanks for watching. And please remember to like and subscribe.